मेरा इस फिल्म को देखने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like watching this movie.
I feel like watching this movie.
तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? What do you think of yourself?
What do you think of yourself?
मुझे तुम्हारी मदद की जरूरत है. I need your help.
I need your help.
क्या कहा उसने? What did he say?
What did he say?
सारी रात बारिश होती रही होगी. It would have been raining all night.
It would have been raining all night.
मैं इस फोटो में नहीं हूँ. I am not there in this photograph.
I am not there in this photograph.
क्या चल रहा है? What's going on?
What's going on?
तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let her go?
Why did you let her go?
मैं मना कर दूं तो? What if I refused?
What if I refused?
ऐसा मत करो. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
मेरे बाईं ओर कोई लड़का नहीं था. There was no boy left to me.
There was no boy left to me.
क्या यह मेरे लिए है? Is that for me?
Is that for me?
फिल्म देखने का समय हो गया है. It's time to watch the film.
It's time to watch the film.
मेरे कोट को पहन के देखो. Try my coat on.
Try my coat on.
डरो मत, मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा. Don't be scared. I won't do anything.
Don't be scared. I won't do anything.
यह वही पेन है जैसा मैंने तुम्हें दिया था. This is the same pen as I gave you.
This is the same pen as I gave you.
कोई प्रॉब्लम? Any problem?
Any problem?
तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for?
What are you looking for?
वे तब भी उस विषय पर बहस कर रहे थे. They were even then arguing over that topic.
They were even then arguing over that topic.
वो इतना क्यों बोलती है? Why does she speak so much?
Why does she speak so much?
मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं बोला. I didn't speak anything wrong.
I didn't speak anything wrong.
जो भी होता है अच्छा होता है. Whatever happens is good.
Whatever happens is good.
ये आपकी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा है. It is good for your health.
It is good for your health.
कब से जानते हो तुम उसे? Since when have you known her?
Since when have you known her?
उन्होंने उसे बलि के बकरे की तरह यूज किया. They used him as a scapegoat.
They used him as a scapegoat.
मैं उससे पूछना भूल गया. I forget to ask him.
I forget to ask him.
वो जरूर बिजी होगी. She must be busy.
She must be busy.
मैंने चैन की सांस ली. I sighed of relief.
I sighed of relief.
मुझे कैसे पता होगा? How would I know?
How would I know?
तुम वहां क्यों छिपे हुए हो? Why are you hidden there?
Why are you hidden there?
खिड़की बंद करो, ठंड लग जाएगी तुम्हें. Roll up the window. You'll catch a cold.
Roll up the window. You'll catch a cold.
तुमने इस लड़की के साथ क्या किया? What did you do to this girl?
What did you do to this girl?
अब यहाँ तक आ गए हैं तो थोड़ी देर इंतजार कर लेते हैं. Since we've come this far, let's wait for some time.
Since we've come this far, let's wait for some time.
ट्रेन से लखनऊ से मुंबई जाने में कितना टाइम लगता है? How long does it take to get from Lucknow to Mumbai by train?
How long does it take to get from Lucknow to Mumbai by train?
काश मैं तुम्हारे साथ होता. I wish I were with you.
I wish I were with you.
तुमने फिर शुरू कर दिया. You've started again.
You've started again.
मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं उसे इस हाल में देखूंगा. I never thought I would ever see him in this state.
I never thought I would ever see him in this state.
जरा रुको. Hold on.
Hold on.
तुम कल मुझसे मिलने आना. You'll come see me tomorrow.
You'll come see me tomorrow.
नहीं मैं नहीं पकड़ूंगा. No, I won't catch it.
No, I won't catch it.
मैंने अपनी माँ से कभी कुछ नहीं छुपाया. I never hide anything from my mother.
I never hide anything from my mother.
तुम कम से कम मुझे बता सकते थे. You could have at least told me.
You could have at least told me.
मैं अपने घर में हूँ. I am in my house.
I am in my house.
पर यह सब होगा कैसे? But how will all this be possible?
But how will all this be possible?
हम वो सबक पहले ही सीख चुके हैं. We've already learned that lesson.
We've already learned that lesson.
चाकू से मत खेलो, अपने आप को नुकसान पहुंचा लोगे. Don't play with the knife. You will hurt yourself.
Don't play with the knife. You will hurt yourself.
तुम यहाँ कब से हो? How long have you been here?
How long have you been here?
भगवान का आशीर्वाद हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ है. God's grace is always with you.
God's grace is always with you.
मेरा उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं था. I had nothing to do with him.
I had nothing to do with him.
अब मेरी बारी है. Now, it's my turn.
Now, it's my turn.